The popular meme coin cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, which is ranked number 11 in the top 20 cryptocurrencies according to coinmarketcap, has been a topic of discussion for its holders and fans. The topic of discussion among the people who think that the meme coin will make them rich just because it is highly supported by the world's richest man Elon Musk, also known as the Doge Father. We have seen countless times that the non-serious and just for fun tweets of the Doge Father in reference to the Dogecoin greatly influenced the price action of the meme coin. An increase of 5 to 10% has become the norm whenever Elon Musk says a tweet something relevant to Dogecoin. Due to this reason, many people have blamed Elon Musk for the manipulation of Dogecoin's price. But Elon Musk is not all jokes about the meme coin. In fact, he holds a majority of Dogecoin in his wallet. Moreover, he has also tried to attach his electric vehicle company Tesla with Dogecoin. Back in 2021, when Tesla announced that they would accept Bitcoin as payment, we had seen the price of Bitcoin reach its all-time high in the 70k range. During this period, the crypto market was in the bull market and many alternative coins performed greatly. Now the big news is that it is rumored that Tesla will soon start accepting Dogecoin as payment. This rumor alone was enough to have resulted in a sudden price spike of Dogecoin. On 18th April, we saw that the Dogecoin and Shiba Inu meme coins rose to 6%, even though Bitcoin fell to its monthly lowest at 38k. Another news regarding Dogecoin is that movie theater chain AMC has officially announced that they have started accepting Dogecoin as payment for its movie tickets and snacks. The company's CEO Adam Aron announced this via Twitter. The AMC's mobile app for AMC's US theaters now accepts online payments using Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and other cryptocurrencies. Thanks to BitPay, Aaron tweeted. What this means is that if you want to book a movie ticket or watch the movie on the AMC app, you can pay using Dogecoin. This initiative is going to help the AMC stocks and also the Dogecoin's price. Here we need to keep in mind that this good news is not going to take a lot of effects because the market is still in the red, but when the market does recover, we can expect a great effect this news will have. Billionaire Mark Cuban has mentioned many times before that the Dogecoin is his favorite. Last month, after the NBA game between the Mavericks and the Celtics, a video shot showed Mark Cuban talking about Dogecoin. In the video, he talks about his support for Dogecoin and he said that he favors Dogecoin. The video went viral when someone asked Mark Cuban if he had invested in Shiba Inu. So someone asked him, "Are you on Shiba Inu?" To which Mark replied that Dogecoin is where it's at. We know that Mark really loves Dogecoin when he pushed his support for Dogecoin to a new level by accepting Dogecoin as a payment method for its basketball team, Dallas Mavericks game tickets and merchandise. It was made possible for the American basketball team by a crypto payment service provider called BitPay. In 2021, in an interview, Mark also said that he and his son owned about 300,000 Dogecoins. In the same interview, he also said that he receives Dogecoin through the scale of crypto-based tickets and products. Now another very important thing to note here is that Mark Cuban has also revealed that since they started to accept Dogecoin as a payment for merchandise in March for his Dallas Maverick, the Dallas Maverick organization has seen massive sales made with it. In an effort to continue this push, Mark Cuban also announced last year that his organization will offer special pricing for those paying with Dogecoin during the Maverick summer sale. So the point of telling is that, though Dogecoin was created as a joke and its creators never intended for it to be taken seriously, Cuban says that it has a unique use case over other cryptos. Cuban believes that Doge is a medium that can be used as an acquisition of goods and services, and the community for Doge is the strongest when it comes to using it as a medium of exchange. Moreover, in April 2021, Cuban tweeted that Dogecoin is the one coin that people actually use for transactions, though he has also previously said that Ether is also used as a digital currency. So what this means is that instead of using it as an investment class, Mark Cuban believes that Doge is a proper currency that can be used to make payments for goods and services. Another important thing to note here is that Dogecoin is also going to transition from a proof-of-work protocol to a proof-of-stake protocol. So we can conclude that Mark Cuban is bullish on Ethereum as a result of its transition from proof-of-work protocol to a proof-of-stake protocol shift, and since the same is happening with Doge, it is quite likely that he will get more bullish on Doge. If it does happen, then Dogecoin would get an endorsement from one of the most successful and famous investors in the world. All in all, it's quite positive news for Dogecoin in the long term, since Mark Cuban is a significant name in the financial markets, and his strong support for Dogecoin will surely encourage other investors to invest in Dogecoin, which will eventually increase its price with increased demand. And now, if we come towards Dogecoin's current price action, we are seeing that it has witnessed a price drop in the last 24 hours. It has fallen from a 14 cents price range to a 15 cents price range. During this time, it is a sideways movement, and currently it is on the retreat as the market has reached the overbought zone. So while the current outlook appears to be bearish, there is still a possibility for Doge going in an uptrend, since it may see a massive accumulation zone from here. So let's see how things unfold in the upcoming days. One very interesting thing is that the trading volume of Doge in the last 24 hours has gone up by 100%, and it's about $1 billion. So this is a very good thing, because we can see that the market has been in the red the past 2 days, and Doge also seems to be going in the direction of the market, but even then its trading volume is in green, which is a very bullish sign. So now when the market recovers, we can see a great increase in the price of Dogecoin. So Elon Musk tweeted Happy Easter, and in the picture was his dog, which is a Shiba Inu. Now many people thought that Elon is trying to pump the Dogecoin, and we saw some price movement upwards, but it was difficult because the market sentiment is in the red today. Elon might end up buying Twitter, and such a thing happening would greatly increase the morale of the Doge community, as a Doge Father would also be the owner of Twitter. Now another news is that Jack Dorsey of Twitter trades swords with Robinhood CEO over his suggestion to make Dogecoin the currency of the internet. Despite the positive words that followed Robinhood CEO Vladimir Lenev's suggestions over the weekend on making Dogecoin the cryptocurrency of the internet, Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Square Incorporation, did not feel impressed, leading to an exchange of words between them. Now even though Jack was blunt in his reply to a long thread by Vladimir on Twitter when he replied, "You thirsty?" Jack isn't wrong in saying so, because Vladimir might be hoping for too much too soon. These things will eventually happen as more and more adoption of Dogecoin happens, and surely these things will take time. In February 2021, after the price spike, Binance added a wrap token for Dogecoin on the network. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world with respect to trading volume, and this feature has shown positive results, and if it does decide to carry on like it has so far, then it will really help Dogecoin in the future with an increase in the price of Dogecoin. There's also another very interesting thing happening. When we open CoinMarketCap, we see that Doge is ranked at 11. If we take out the stable coins, it's actually ranked at number 9, and just below it's Terra USD. Terra USD is only $500 million less than Dogecoin in market cap. This just shows that how big Terra has become, and also that Doge market has also become less volatile, and also it has seen less effect from the news. Though there's still some spikes in the price here and there due to a news, but still less affected by the news, and it just shows that maybe Dogecoin's market is slowly becoming more stable and free from manipulation. Now let's come towards Dogecoin's price prediction. Analysts suggest that we could possibly hint at a 70% increase in Doge's price. Dogecoin's price is coiling up inside a bullish pattern, forecasting a trend shift to the upside. Investors can expect Doge to trigger a 70% upswing to $0.233. However, a daily candle closing below $0.078 can invalidate the bullish thesis of Dogecoin. As we have discussed before, the price of Dogecoin is looking very good right now, and the only concern we would have is the whole market crashing down and Doge's price falling below 7 cents. However, we can expect great and exciting things from Dogecoin.